Okay, so this is the voice of Teacher Onga, the founder and CEO of Money Literate Academy. Okay, so this is one of my masterclass. So in this masterclass, 303 participants paid for that class. Yes, this masterclass was held on December 2023. So you can see 303 participants. Yes, so some people started importing and receiving their goods. So we have Patrick here saying he has received his products today. Thanks to Sir Onga, thanks to TLC, thank you Karl Marx, and big thank you to everyone who assisted me in various ways. So these are the goods he imported. He has received them today. Yes, so he said he bought slightly used phones, 9 of them, and it has come and he has received them. So you can see he has received them. Yes, so this is very interesting. Mini Importation is the new gold mine. If you are in this group and you have not registered yet, do well and register. We don't scam here. So you can see